Okay, welcome back. This is my second video for this week, and just wanted to continue on a little bit more to go down the syllabus, and so you could see other, again, links to articles that you're going to be required to read, the Cyborg Manifesto, Real Housewives of Jane Austen, Jay Bushman, who is the transmedia director of this series, Pemberley Digital, which we're going to be watching, and you'll see that you're going to need to watch the entire season of Welcome to Sanditon in 1 week. It says to watch the teaser and then the episodes 1 through 27. Do know that episodes 1 through 27, each episode is about somewhere between 3 and 5 minutes on average. And so it will take a significant amount of time, but don't panic when you see this. It'll take, an hour or two, not 3 days. And then also there are other videos. And then this is The Guild. We're going to be watching all 6 seasons of The Guild. And I think you're going to find this fun. And the first season is about 46 minutes long. And then the other seasons after that, after they got more funding, they're about an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes. So again, 1 season per week is the pace that you can expect as we're going through this. And then we're going to have our digital storytelling project down at the bottom and the final exam. Now, you'll see that here is the second column. Here are the readings that are due for the week, and the viewings, and then here are the assignments that are due. And here for the first week, it says take syllabus quiz. I'm going to be posting that tomorrow. You need to join the WordPress site. I will be emailing you out an invite after I post this video. And to join the WordPress site, I'm going to show you a little information about that. And then also you need to set up your WordPress avatar. You'll be getting more information about the WordPress project. But for right now, you just need to join. It's free for students, so that's not a problem. And then set up your avatar. But then you'll see down here, as we go along, this column is pretty empty, except for the major assignments. The midterm exam is here. The final exam is down here. The project due date is here. That's because this is the column you're going to want to keep watching on the syllabus. I will keep updating this file as we progress with the sort of smaller week by week assignments that you're going to have. And again, these will be up at least by Tuesday, if not on Monday. But if you wait until Tuesday, you'll see it all. If you're watching it on Monday, you'll probably see me putting up assignments and dribs and drabs, over the course of the day. But then if you wait until Tuesday to check it, it should be all ready for you. Okay? So for this week, you've got a couple of things. Take the syllabus quiz. You need to do this by Sunday at midnight. Join the WordPress site, also Sunday by midnight, and set up your WordPress avatar by Sunday at midnight. And you're going to need to watch this video so that you can discuss your digital sense and know what you're talking about. Actually, this isn't a video. This is a interactive transmedia website. So you're going to want to poke your way through this site and watch the different videos and read the different articles that are attached to it. And, spend some serious time with it and then do this. So what you're going to do after you get the invite, here's the form that I'm going to be filling out. I'm going to be inviting you to a blog that I've already set up on WordPress. So I'm going to be putting some information in here with your email addresses and stuff. And then you're going to follow the links and follow the instructions that are provided by WordPress. This is really important. In an online class where you're going to be working digitally, you're going to need to take advantage of the help that is provided by the websites that I'm sending you to. Again, I will be posting videos that will give you some introductory information on how to approach your various tasks. But you're also, since this is an online class, you're also going to need to be using the help features that are available through the website. I am available to help you, but most questions that I get from students could be answered by the materials that are already available to them. And so normally what happens is a student emails me and says, I don't know how to do X. And then I say, well, check out the help function, and send them a link back to the help function. Because really there's a wealth of materials for you out there. And this is the promise, right, of the online world, is that whatever it is that we want to find out, we can find it out by either looking in the help function, Googling your question, or going to YouTube and looking up tutorial videos. So I will, as always, be providing you with some information, but you're also going to be responsible for doing some research on your own. If you do some research on your own and you still can't find it, feel free to email me. But don't just email me with every little question that you have, because that's not the intent of this class. Okay? So I'm going to be sending you this invite, and what you're going to be invited to join is a website that I've created. This is the kind of splash page that you get when you come to your own account in WordPress. WordPress looks a little differently if you use it on your PC or on your Mac or on your tablet or on your phone. So don't be surprised if you hop on to WordPress and it doesn't look like this. Again, you're just going to have to familiarize yourself with the way that it works on your device. But it's set up to work on PC, Mac, tablets, and phones. So you can use various apps or websites in order to get here. But you'll get the links and you'll have instructions. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my sites. And this is the site that I want to go to. But you'll see that if I go here, I have a lot of different websites that I'm working on with other classes. But this is the one that we're using for you guys. 231 Digital Storytelling. And when you click on it, it doesn't automatically come up. What you get instead is this analytics page. And you'll see that nobody has looked at it. We've had no visitors. We've had no likes. We've had no comments. We're going to be keeping our eye on this. Oops, my phone is ringing. Let me turn this off. We're going to keep our eye on this and see how our website is working. And we can see what days are popular and things like that. And you can sort it by days, weeks, months, and years. But what we want to do right now is go to the home. And so you come over here and we want to actually look at the website. So you're going to click on the little home icon and it'll take you not to the actual website itself, which is kind of confusing. It takes you to a page where you can, if you would like, launch it or look at it, how it would look on a PC, how it would look on a tablet, how it would look on a phone, or you can close out of this window. But in order to actually do anything with this, you're going to want to hit the little launch button. And then you'll see that I have very rudimentarily set this up because this is going to be your project over the course of the semester. All of you students, I'm going to be very hands-off in this project. I'm going to be giving you guidance and giving you assignments to work on, but I don't actually contribute to this website very much. But what I have done so far is posted Austin Sanditon, which you're going to be reading this. Let's see here. Why is it not coming up? Okay, so we have to work on the title here. So first project you could do is retitle this page. And also maybe fix this picture, because this is just the picture that came with it. Here we've got the text that I copied and pasted raw of the novel that came from Gutenberg, Australia. And so this is the text that you're going to be reading and working with. And again, you'll be getting more information about this, but you can see there are hyperlinks to the chapters, or you can just scroll down and look at the chapters individually. This is probably something else you could work on, fixing this, because this is a really clunky and ugly way to navigate this text, but I did that on purpose. This is a kind of a first project that as a class you guys can attack and start working with. And again, I will give you more information about this as we progress, but right now just know that it's here. Your assignment for this week is to go set up your avatar. This is going to be important because these avatars are going to be linked to our website, where down here you can see who are we. And right now I'm the only person that's part of this website. So here, if you click on that, you can see a picture of me. That's what I look like. Hello. And then also here is some information about me, like my background, what I'm working on, what I published, what I do, what I teach, and then also a little bit about me personally. Your assignment for this week, as you'll see on the syllabus, or as you have seen on the syllabus, is to come in here, write something about yourself, give us a little bit of information about you, upload a picture of yourself, and then also answer the question, that is part of the assignment, what is your digital sin? And you'll understand the 7 digital sends you have to choose from after you go through that other link that I provided for you. Now, how do you change your avatar? You come up here and you decide, hey, I want to add an image. And you're going to have to agree to let Gravatar's access your images. You're not going to see that page right now because I've already agreed to it. But Gravatars is the app or the website that actually runs the images that go through through WordPress, sorry. And you're going to choose a file and upload it and resize it. Do note this, that there's a 1 megabyte file size limit. So if your file is larger than 1 megabyte, it will not upload it. I found that out earlier today when it wouldn't upload mine. So you're going to have to resize your image if it's larger than a megabyte. And then you'll have a picture up on the website that people, so we can identify each other. If you come back here to where we were earlier, and this is sort of the page that is your account, and you click on this, let's see, and you go to My Profile. That is another way where you can click here, you can update your profile photo. This is also where you can fill in your name, fill in your preferred name, not necessarily the one that's on the roster, your last name, which should be your last name that's on the roster so that I can find you in my gradebook. And then your public display name, and then information about you. And this is where you will type in your answers to the assignment and a little bit of information about yourself. So do make sure that you do that this week. We'll get us up and running. You'll get the invite to the website. You'll come in here. You'll familiarize yourself with WordPress. You'll update your avatar by clicking on this little guy up here. And then you're also going to need to take the syllabus quiz that's back on Moodle. The syllabus quiz, I will be uploading that soon. It will, probably take about 8 to 10 minutes. You do need to remember what I cautioned you about at the beginning of the last video, which is that these videos that I'm uploading where I give you information are meant to explain trickier or important concepts, but there's also a lot of important information in every word of what I've assigned you. So you are going to need to, in this particular instance, go back and read the syllabus word by word, read each sentence, know what the syllabus says exactly, not just what I told you it said, but what it says before you take the syllabus quiz. Of course, you're going to be able to use your syllabus with you while you take the quiz, but I am going to put a timer on the quiz so that you're going to need to be moving quickly. So that means I expect you to read the syllabus thoroughly, carefully, and when you start taking the quiz, you'll have about 10 minutes to take it, that you'll be able to move through the questions quickly. You'll know what sections of the syllabus to refer to if the question is kind of tricky. And so you won't be just like panicking and only make it halfway through the quiz before the timer runs out. Okay? So I hope this answered all your questions. I am looking forward to this semester and everything that we're going to learn together. And stay tuned.